Welcome to Drawlipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change font size and style on Android. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down a bit and then go to display. From here scroll down again and then go to font size and style. Now here at the bottom you can see font size option, and you can increase or decrease your font size from here. You can also bold your font from here. And if you want to change your font style, just tap here. From here you can choose any font style as you like. Also, if you want to download fonts, just tap here. From here you can download any font style as you like. If you want to download this, just tap on this icon and the download is complete. Now just go back. Now if you want to set this font style, just select it and it's selected. And that is how you can change font size and font style on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.